Every product, every process, every manufacturing plant relies on seamless coordination and exacting precision. But behind the precision of modern manufacturing lies a complex attack surface. Smart machines, connected systems, cloud apps, and global suppliers. The more you scale, the more exposed you become. Trend Vision 1, Cyber Risk Exposure Management, gives you a proactive view of what's exposed and what matters most across your entire operation. Continuous risk assessments pinpoint where you're vulnerable. AI-powered attack path prediction shows where attackers may move next, so you can act before downtime or safety incidents occur. Get continuous compliance confidence without chasing spreadsheets. Measure progress, prove posture, move forward. Empower your workforce with real-world training and phishing simulations that make security second nature. In manufacturing, complexity is standard, and so is the need for continuous security. Transform your security programs with risk visibility, continuous monitoring of entry points, prioritization of actions by business impact, and translating risks into financial terms with Trend Vision 1, the only AI-powered cybersecurity platform that centralizes cyber risk exposure management, security operations, and robust layered protection. Trend Vision 1 protects you because in manufacturing, what you protect is the heartbeat of industry.